Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your environment and body. Make sure lighting is even, posture upright, and distractions off. First, apply a warm compress for 5 to 10 minutes to relax tight muscles, then sit at 20 to 26 inches from screens. Once done, start simple focus shifts, near to far, slowly. This primes accommodation muscles. Keep sessions to 20 minutes initially because short, consistent practice retrains neural pathways without strain. Now you move into the main routine that strengthens focusing ability. Start with focus shift drills, 10 seconds on a 10-12-inch near point, then 10 seconds on a distant point. Repeat for 10 reps and complete 3 sets. Next, do pencil push-ups. Bring an object toward your nose keeping single vision. Perform 2 sets of 12. Meanwhile, build habits. The 20/20/20 rule and regular blinking reduce fatigue. To finish each session, cool down with slow long-distance gazes and document any changes in a brief journal. This shows trends. You should practice daily for several weeks while gradually increasing challenge, longer holds or smaller near distances. If you notice persistent blur, double vision, or pain, stop intensifying and consult an eye professional. Alternatively, scale back to gentler reps. Finally, support the process with a nutrient-rich diet and reduced late-night near work to maintain gains.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.